Has Windows 10 been running slow on your computer too? Cleaned out the files and it's still not been much of an improvement? Well, before you go out and buy yourself a new PC, try reinstalling Windows 10 and resetting it to its factory settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways about how to do that. The first and easy way requires nothing. Head into Settings, Updates and Security, press Recovery, and under Reset this PC, press Getting Started. When asked, remove everything. Let's scrub the machine. I'll ask if you want to reset it locally or from the cloud. Optimally, choose the cloud to restore to the latest version of Windows 10, but if your internet is slow, a local recovery is fine. Press reset and let the PC do its thing. It'll reboot a few times, but before you know it, your PC is reset. Except that might not always work. All it takes is one error code to prevent you from doing it that way. So a second way to go about it is getting yourself a 16GB USB thumb drive and putting Windows 10 onto that so you can reinstall it into your PC. Head to the link in the description below and download the USB creator. Insert the USB drive, follow the on-screen instructions. Let Windows 10 automatically decide which version to download for your computer so no mistakes are made. When the USB key is created, insert it into your computer, and when you turn your computer on, hit the F2, F8, F10, or whatever function key your computer tells you to hit when the system is booting up. Now you can do that if the computer doesn't automatically boot into the USB thumb drive. But once you're into that thumb drive, simply reinstall Windows 10 onto your system, doing a clean installation. One more really quick tip: if you want to remember what programs you have installed on your PC before you reset it, download and install a program called CC Cleaner. Go to the Tools section and here you will get a list of all your programs. You can save it to a text file and you can even email it to yourself before you go ahead and reset your PC to its factory settings. If you made it this far, you should have a clean install of Windows 10 on your system. If it worked for you, leave a comment below and let me know, but if it didn't, also leave a comment and maybe I'll be able to try and help you. But other than that, I hope you guys are keeping safe and well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.